If you're getting the corrupt game data, please reboot error in GTA 5. This video will show you how to fix it. If this guide helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. The first thing you should do is verify your game files. If you're playing GTA 5 through Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Find Grand Theft Auto 5, right-click it, and select Properties. Next, open the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your installation for any missing or corrupted files and automatically replace them. If you're using the Epic Games Launcher, open the launcher and go to your library. Find GTA 5, click the three dots next to the game, then select Manage. From there, click Verify. The launcher will check all game files and re-download any that are damaged or missing. Once the verification process is complete, restart your computer and launch GTA 5 again. In most cases, this resolves the corrupt game data. Please reboot error.